Hi there, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this feathery brooch design. Now don't discard it away because this is going to be useful to you. You can make this and attach to your hats, your fascinators, your turbans, and it would stand out. So let's get straight into today's tutorial. So the first thing I did was to cut out 3 pieces of material in 1.5 inches diameter. So I have my 2 pieces of material and I have my pad. This is a thick pad that is like carton. Okay, next thing I did was to put uhu gum on one side and I covered it up with one part of the material. Now you can make use of any material at all. Then I took my brooch pin and put it. This brooch pin has 2 holes in the middle and now I'm going to sew it to it. Now why I sewed it now, it's because I would cover it up with the other part and it is not visible. So keep watching and learning. Take note that while sewing it, what you're doing is passing it through the 2 holes, pass it from one hole, take it out, take it through the other hole so that it attaches firmly to the pad. Now this ensures that your brooch is not falling off, the pin is not removing, it stays stuck to the brooch that you have made instead of gluing, which would not last for years. Okay? Alright, now so I'm tying it up, I'm almost done. Okay, once I finish that, the next thing I do is to glue the other material at the back with my uhu gum. So keep watching and learning. Okay, next step is to take matching color of bias and you're going to cover the edges. Now this ensures that no matter how visible any part is, it's all covered up with the same color. So I'm going to be doing this all the way round. Keep watching and learning. Now it's time to get our feathers ready. So you just pluck it out from the trimmings like so. And then I chop it up almost into half. And I'm going to be gluing it all the way around on top. Okay? So I did that. After I did that, I would like to apologize to you because I couldn't find the remaining part of the video. But what I did was that I strung beads and through a length so that it will drop down, as you can see here. So after I did that, I sewed it again to the brooch. Then I now took a small piece of flour that I have and covered that place and turned the back also, and I covered the sewing behind, and that's how I got this very beautiful feathery brooch design. Now if you would like to see a full video of how that was done, please do let me know in the comment section below. I guess I would have to make another one and put up for you. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up if you gained value to this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I advise you right now to subscribe because you get to see tons and loads of great ideas that would push you forward and empower you to create wealth. I do also have other trainings on brooch designs that would get you making your hats, turbans, clothes to stand out beyond your imagination. So if you want to know more of that, please do check the description of this video and you will find the Ventcraft Academy reception. Click it and you'll get to see all the trainings available. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless.